Hello, friend. Today, all the investigation, or almost all the investigation, is based on mobile record. So, CDR is the topic for this lecture or this discussion. Aropi means accused. They always think that they are par to the investigation machinery. They always think that they will not caught, but always they are making common mistake that they are using mobile. And almost all investigation is now based on mobile record. They put the mobile number on track. So investigation officer or investigation machinery comes to know where is the accused, what is his tower location, and then almost the work is over. In the court of law, at the time of trial, many of the advocates are taking very lightly about this CDR record, that is call details record. They doesn't know about the columns of the CDR. They just overlook that volume of the CDR, and they are taking cross-examination repeatedly on other points. And at the time of argument, they can't give answer to the prosecution case. Why the mobile number or SIM card or mobile of the deceased is with you all the way tower to tower, from spot of incidents up to the spot where dead body is buried or lost. And this is a big question at the time of argument. So for that only, we are discussing about the importance of the CDR. You should know about the principle of section 65, section 63, about the secondary evidence, about the basic preliminary evidence, preliminary document, secondary document. What is the importance of the secondary documents? When secondary documents can be read into evidence, can be considered. And what is the importance of the certificate of section 65? So section 65B and guidelines of the Honorable Mumbai High Court should be considered. Every advocate should know about that. He should read all the guidelines, principles in the books, and he should take advice from the senior advocate. He should read the cross-examination of senior advocates of the nodal officers and cross-examination of the recovery Panchanama of that mobile. Why they are taking similar cross-examination? Because CDR is not the conclusive evidence. Remember, but for a circumstantial evidence, to collaborate other evidence, CDR is an important document. And we are taking nodal officers' evidence very lightly. We are not taking cross-examination of nodal officer. But if your mobile is showing under the tower location of X spot and the area or range of that mobile tower is 1 kilometer, then you might be there within 1 kilometer. So it is not mean that you are rightly present on the spot. But other evidence, if there is a watchman, if there is a taxiwala, or if there is a CCTV, or there is a TI parade evidence that someone saw you and he identified you on the spot, near to the spot, then burden of proof is also on accused to rebut that evidence. Therefore, CDR is important. And you should know the columns of the CDR. Calling party's number, the number or SIM card number of other side party, tower location number, what is the code number of tower location, duration of the call, type of the call, whether it is SMS, whether it is incoming call, whether it is outgoing call, IMEI number, that is mobile instrument number. Because sometimes it happens that accused is using same mobile but inserting different SIM cards at various times within that location. Or accused is changing the instruments and using same SIM card at various times. Or the mobile number of accused and mobile number of deceased or corpus is going along with all the way from spot of incident to other spot. So all this evidence is incriminating evidence against you or your client. So be careful about the CDR report. Think twice about the cross-examination on the point of section 65B certificate. Whether that nodal officer is in charge of that section, number one. Number two, whether he used that computer system personally, he took the printout personally, whether there is a possibility of human interference or manipulation in that system. What is about the code number? What is about the password? Whether original CDR report, that is original printout with certified copy, with verification or with seal and signature, or at least with seal on every page, is there on the CDR report. Whether certificate is properly certified, whether communication is with outward number, inward number and receipt signature, seal, whether that particular person is examined or not. All these ingredients, important points, should be considered at the time of CDR. Even prosecution agency or prosecutor or special public prosecutor should consider CDR report as a main investigation document. He should not overlook that document. Many times, witness summonses never issued to the nodal officer. It is wrong concept. A nodal officer should be examined by the prosecution if there is a incriminating evidence against the accused. They have to prove. By the way of argument, you cannot argue directly with the help of CDR report unless and until those documents are exhibited. Because always these are the secondary evidence. So friends, CDR report is very much important in criminal trial. Now in civil trial also sometimes CDR report is required. In criminal trial, along with the CDR report, now recording of the phone calls, discussion between the parties or discussion between the accused is also coming in the charge sheet. So there is a guidelines from the Mumbai High Court or other high courts also. The transcript of that discussion should be before the court. Panchanama of that transcript should be before the court. Again, certificate under 65 is very much important. So all this regarding CDR is required to be considered very seriously. I am very thankful about this, that I come across with the many of the cases where we use as a prosecutor or we use as a defense counsel CDR and we saved the accused, or as a prosecutor we tried to give the proper punishment to the accused with the help of CDR as a corroborative evidence, secondary evidence, but very important evidence to consider, the circumstantial evidence. Thank you friends. Please like this video. On the point of social aspect, we should subscribe this channel Vilas Naik and share it properly. Give good comments or bad comments as per your notions. But please share your experience. Thank you. Thank you very much.